The historic Wabash YMCA closed in 1969, and by the 1990s had fallen into such severe disrepair that the city of Chicago had slated it for demolition. The YMCA sold the building to the neighboring St. Thomas Episcopal Church for $1. To save the building, a first-of-its-kind coalition of ecumenical churches was formed under the name the Renaissance Corporation in 1992, comprised of St. Thomas Episcopal, Apostolic Faith, St. Elizabeth Roman Catholic, and Quinn Chapel AME. All four of these churches are themselves historic Black Chicago institutions. Patricia Abrams, as the original board chair and eventual founding executive director, led the campaign to raise $11 million to restore the building. After a nearly decade-long effort, the building reopened in 2000 as the Renaissance Apartments and Fitness for Life Center. Today, the former Wabash Y provides housing for chronically homeless adults with wraparound supportive services to help them transition back into society and become self-sufficient. The history of the Y serves as a testament to these individuals that no matter how dire life may seem, a better future is still possible for all of us.